everybody, I hope you are having a wonderful day. So welcome to another video of the channel. Today I will show you how much money I made in the month of November, from November 1 to November 30. So basically it's an income report for the month of November. So I am trading gold. I always trade gold, as I told you in my other videos too. If you are someone who is new to the trading and want to learn how to trade forex market, so do let me know in the comments. I will try to make a video on this. I have a very high accuracy while trading gold. I am trading gold from last 1.5 year. So if you want to learn how to trade gold, do let me know in the comments. So let's come to the topic. So my income report is, first of all, expenses. What are the expenses I had in the month of November? So my expenses is zero because I sorry for my voice, I am having cold. So expenses is zero, almost zero, because I am not producing any. I didn't produce any book in the November. I just run ads. So my ad spend for the month of November is somewhere around $2,134, and my royalties. So let's see how much money I made in the month of November. So here I am on the Getbook report page, and $8,730 I made in the month of November, from November 1 to November 30. By those 1073 books, I have uploaded 1073 books, but my most of sales come from my top bestseller. Almost it's 150 books. Most of my money comes from my 150 books, and in the month of November I made 8730 in royalties. It is not all profit, we have to minus the ad spend. So 8730. So the total profit would be B2 minus B3, and that is 6596. So this is all profit I made in the month of November. November is quite slow because I turned off a lot of ads because I was busy with my colleges, and also I didn't have a lot of time to monitor them. So that's why I just pause my sum of ads. Otherwise I will definitely touch $14,000 if I was not that much busy. I will run ad if I was running a lot of ads, but I turn off a lot of ads. Otherwise my ad spend somewhere around 3,000 to 3,500 if I continuously running if my ad was running continuously, but I have to stop it because of my college. I was busy with my exams. So this is it. This is the profit I made in the month of November. So this is nothing, you will make more than that. So thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. Over and out. So if you are someone who's new, consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you.